Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to use the new TikTok feature Please Select an Action. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Now tap and hold on any video and you can see the new TikTok feature Please Select an Action. From this option you can save this video. You can add this video as favorite or you can select the video as not interested. Pick any of this action and this video is added to your favorite list. So that is how you can use the new TikTok feature Please Select an Action. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.